Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make semicircle text in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to make the circles. Text semicircle, go to the insert menu. Select the text box option and draw a text box. Then write anything to this text box. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse and increase the font size. Then go to the shape format menu and choose text effect option and select the transform option and click this circle. Then resize this and make semicircle. Now we can see we make text semicircle in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.